It's snowing! It's snowing! The winter wind is blowing. With hats and coats and gloves and boots, outside is where we're going.
It's snowing! It's snowing! Snowflakes are a-blowing.
There's icicles and snowy hills. It's really, really snowing! It's snowing! It's snowing! The treetops, they are glowing.
Snowflakes, snowmen, sleds, and slush.
It's really, really snowing!
It's snowing, our footprints show right where we've been going.
We've gone here and we've gone there. I love it when it's snowing!
Oh, hi, everyone!
Barney!
It's snowing, it's snowing. Your rosy cheeks are showing. Winter's here, so give a cheer. It's really, really snowing. Oh, come on. Let's build a snowman. It's snowing, it's snowing. It's really, really snowing. And when we're done with winter fun, inside is where we're going. It's snowing, it's snowing. It's really, really snowing. Oh, how much fun. Oh, what a terrific snowman.
Oh, yeah, thanks, Barney. I don't know. It looks like it's missing something.
Oh, I know. How about a scarf?
Oh, yeah,
There you
great
go.
idea.
That looks perfect.
Wow. So, has everyone written their letter to Santa?
Oh, no, I almost forgot.
Oh, no.
Come on, let's go.
I wouldn't want to forget that.
I'm finished with my letter. I asked for a dollhouse.
What did you say to Santa, Nathan?
Nothing.
You don't want anything for Christmas?
No, I just can't think of what to say. Oh, I can help. We'll write it together. Thanks, Melanie. Now, let's start with Dear Santa. I'm writing a letter to you today with so many things that I want to say. Dear Santa, I'm writing to wish you good cheer and tell you just how good I've been this year. Oh, Santa Claus, please visit me. The house will look pretty with lights on the tree. I'll leave you some cookies on Christmas Eve night. I'll be in my bed all snuggled up tight.
Fly up to my roof in your reindeer sleigh, then slide down my chimney with gifts right away. Before we forget, there's one thing more. For kids without chimneys, please use their door.
Oh, Santa Claus, please visit me. The house will look pretty with lights on a tree. I'll leave you some cookies on Christmas Eve night. I'll be in my bed all snuggled up tight.
Oh, come on, Nathan.
Oh, Santa Claus, please visit me. The house will look pretty with lights on a tree. I'll leave you some cookies on Christmas Eve night. I'll be in my bed all snuggled up tight. Your friend, Nathan.
We better hurry. The mail carrier will be here any minute.
Okay. What about your letter to Santa, Melanie?
I'm working on it right now.
Oh.
I'm asking Santa for something really special, and I don't want anybody to know what it is.
All right. Well, better hurry. Don't want to miss the mail.
Okay.
Yeah, kids, I got them all. And you know what? You're just in time. Today's the last day to mail a letter before Christmas. Well, I'll see you later.
Bye. Merry Christmas. I'm so glad we all finished our letters in time. Wait, Melanie didn't mail her letter. Whoa, hold on, Mr. Mailman. We have one more.
Oh, no. He's gone.
I finished my letter. Have you seen the mailman yet? Sorry, he's already gone. I missed him? Oh, no. Is she gonna be okay, Barney?
I'd better go check.
Poor Melanie. Well, I'm sure Barney can help her.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Melanie, don't worry.
What am I going to do? I can't take it to the North Pole myself.
Well, maybe you can. Whoa!
Cool.
Follow me. This way. No. So excited.
Whoa. Is this Santa's workshop?
Uh-huh.
Are we at the North Pole, Barney?
Barney? Did someone say Barney?
Oh, Melanie, I'd like you to meet Guilford, one of Santa's helpers.
How do you do there, Melanie? Awful nice to meet you.
Hi.
Well, where's Oscar?
Right here.
Oh,
Yep, that's me. I'm Oscar.
there he is.
And I'm Snowflake. Pleased to make your acquaintance.
It's very nice to meet all of you. Wow. Did you guys wrap all these presents?
Yep,
Cause wrapping's what we do.
Oh, boy.
we have such fun with the job we do. We're important. We're the wrapping crew. Gotta get down cause we're rappers, Santa's helpers and toe tappers. Hey, ho, hey, ho, 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 and away we go.
Oh, we're the rapping crew.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Working all day as we load the sleigh with gifts for
Hey,
you.
ho, hey, ho.
Oh, we're the rapping crew.
1, 2, 3. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
At Santa's Toy Factory.
Wrapping it up, wrapping it up. We're wrapping it up. This Christmas, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah season, don't forget you're lucky with good reason. Whatever it is that we might send, the best gift of all is if Barney's your friend.
We're the rapping crew.
Wrapping it up, wrapping it up.
Working all day as we load the sleigh with gifts for you.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Oh, we're the rapping crew.
1, 2, 3. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
At Santa's Toy
Ho, ho,
Factory.
ho, and away we go.
Whoa, oh, that was great.
Oh, I almost forgot. My letter to Santa. Is it too late? Have I missed him?
Ho ho! No, no! It's never too late for a letter to Santa. Ho, ho,
Santa
ho,
Claus!
ho.
Hello, Santa.
Hi there, Barney.
You know each other?
We sure do.
Friends forever. Old pals.
Best buds.
That's right.
I believe you have something for me, Melanie.
I thought it was going to be too late.
And you'd be forgotten this Christmas?
Not a chance. No way.
No how.
Your letter was late because you were helping friends. You'll never be forgotten, Melanie. You're in the book.
I am?
Well, you sure are. Take a little look into Santa's book. You'll be glad to find he saw when you were kind.
Ho, ho. I wrote down when you've been a very special friend.
It's all there when you look
into
Santa's book. Oh, that's right.
Each time you did what's right, like being polite and eating your veggies with supper at night.
When you brushed your hair, played games fair, and tried to be cheerful when you had to share.
Take a little look into Santa's book. You'll be glad to find he saw when you were kind.
I wrote down when you've been a very special friend. It's all there when you look into Santa's book. Look into Santa's book.
Look into Santa's book. Let's go see Melanie.
Melanie!
Ho, 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 ho. So you see, you don't have to worry about a thing. I have your letter now.
Thank you, Santa.
I think we'd better get back to the park. Santa and his friends have a lot to do before Christmas.
Ho, ho, quite so. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ho, ho.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Goodbye.
Ho, ho, ho.
It was great to meet you.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. Ho, 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 ho.
Miss me?
I'm gonna get you, though.
We're right behind you. Hey, guys, guess what? Barney took me to the North Pole to give my letter to Santa.
The North Pole? You met Santa? I think she's just pretending.
My.
Hey, Melanie, you left your purse at the workshop.
Oh, hi, Snowflake. Thanks.
Hi, Ryan. Hi, Megan. And you're Nathan, right? Nice job on being good this year.
Thanks, I guess.
Well, gotta go. Busy time of the year, you know. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, Snowflake. Bye.
She wasn't pretending. This is the most magical Christmas ever.
Oh, just like Melanie asked for in her letter.
What do you mean, Barney?
She asked Santa to make this a magical Christmas.
And he did, with some help. Thanks, Barney, for everything.
Sure. Oh, it's been a very special Christmas for me because I've shared it with friends I love, like you and you and you. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Hey, everybody, it's snowing again.
I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Oh boy.
Bye, Barney.
Bye. I'll see ya. Oh, and Merry Christmas to you.